Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel, BRP Traders. Okay guys, now we gonna see the where the commodity gonna work, how we gonna trade for this week. You can see here guys, this is natural gas chart and this is already broken, we are seeing. So right now what we have to expect that if it will take resistance from here only right now, it is the non-tradable zone guys. This area is non-tradable zone. If this is broken and taking resistance somewhere, our first target will be here guys, second target will be here, third target will be here guys, fourth and final target you can expect up till here guys. Okay guys, this is the fourth and final target in natural gas guys. Okay guys, if it will continue and somewhere goes down and once again came upside and taking somewhere here only the support, or it is continuously concentrating and making a range, then after this breakout you can achieve your first target will be somewhere here guys, this will be the second target, this will be the third and final target guys. Okay guys, you can achieve more also if you are confident with your trade. You can take it down for more also up till 7.500. Okay guys, now we gonna see for crude oil guys. Crude oil is very highly, you are seeing that continuously it's making a huge amount of rally in a green type. You can see in that green continuously it's making a green only from here to here. You can just see, we can see here somewhere, just a second guys. So here you can see here up till 4% guys, you can see here this is the huge amount of rally has been came by the buyers. Okay guys, what we have to see right now, you can see that first time tested, second time tested, this is third time it is testing. So what it does means is that it gonna break. Okay guys, what we have to do is that we have to just stretch it out. Okay guys, now it will act as a resistance. So I will just zoom out why it will act as a resistance, that also I have to told you. You can see here guys, first time it has tested, second time it came downside, this is the selling zone. You can see here continuously taking resistance, here support acting right now, but exactly here only taken resistance, one-sided downside momentum keep. So that's why I'm telling you, so retest is very important right now, it is coming along. So what we can do or what our plan will be, somewhere here only if it will crosses this. Okay guys, if you have confidence you can go for your first target. If this is broken and taken support, your first target will be here guys, second target will be here guys. Okay guys, this will be the third and final target guys. Okay guys, you can getting it, hope. Okay guys, if we wanted to take it downside, what happened if it will take somewhere here only resistance and making price action, or somewhere here only broken this line once again taking a once again retest, then you can expect your first target guys, second target, third target, fourth and final target guys. This will be okay guys, hope you are getting. If you have any queries, please comment me down and tell me so I can take your queries and make a special video also if it will be the common problem for all the person. Okay guys, we have to see from here guys, what happened is that you can see here guys, exactly here is the one of the selling zone has been coming along. Okay guys, this is third time it is coming. So what we have to see is that this is third time it is coming. So what we gonna do, first of all we can see for downside momentum. Okay guys, if it is making M pattern or sort of thing and crosses this green zone guys, okay guys, after that it is retested or sort of thing, then you can easily achieve your first target, second target, third target, and even if this is broken you can go for fourth target too guys. Okay guys, hope you are getting all the analysis guys. Here what we have to do is, if this is broken or making a consolidation, then it gonna break, then our first target will be somewhere here, second target, this will be the third and final target. Okay guys, if you have any queries guys or have any doubt regarding this, please comment me down and tell me your queries. And you can check out previous videos also how we have traded. I have also posted this previous only how we have to predict the market. You can check out also, there we have made a huge amount of money in the commodity guys. You can just check out the accuracy guys. Okay, one or two SL has been hit, but our SL is very small guys, very little. little. Our risk to reward is 1:5, more than 5 only, guys. Not 1:5 only, it is more than 1:5, guys. If you loses 3 trade also, you have taken 5 trades and loses 3 trade also, then you have loses 6%. If we correct in 2 also, then you have made it 10%. 10% minus 6%, you can gain 4%, guys, within 1 week. So you can count up to into 4, because of 1 month you have 4 trading session minimally. Okay, guys, just think that 4 session only. Okay, guys, then we can, what we have to do is that into 4. What happened is that 4 into 4, 16%, guys. 16% is very huge amount of, nobody give you 16% of interest, guys, in FD or something, anything you gonna see, guys. So that's why I am here, because of I am wanted that I am also retired and nobody have been told me. I have continuously studied, research, and I have loses my hard-earned money. So I do not wanted to you to lose this money, guys. That's why I am making this sort of videos. If you have any queries, please comment me down, and you can join my Telegram channel also, guys, so I can provide you, if I can get the time, so I will provide you some of the trades, so you can take it there and make a huge profit also. We have not given this week any trade, but in previous week you can check out there, we have made a huge amount of money in natural gas and some other also. You can check out, guys. Hope you like this video, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you so much.